Hello everyone, welcome you all to the first video on set theory. So in this video we will get to know the introduction of set with examples, the different uses of sets, the different properties of a set, and the different notations or symbols that are used in the set theory, notations or symbols. So let's look into them one by one. So we have been using the concept of set since our childhood days. For example, whenever we have written the numbers, say even number, odd numbers, month of a year, days of a week, all these are some set only. So formally now, the set can be defined as some well-defined collection of objects. Well-defined collection. The basic term is well-defined collection. Now this well-defined collection can be of any objects. That can be numbers, that can be days of a week, that can be month of a year. All these things comes under set. It can be the name of the players in the Indian cricket team. So all this comes under the definition of set. So we can say that set is nothing but a well-defined collection of objects. Let's take an example. Say V. V is a set of vowels in the English alphabet, A, E, I, O, U. Similarly, N is a set of natural numbers 1, 2 till infinity. Say M is a set of month in the English calendar or of a year, say January, February till December. So all this comes under the definition of set. So these are the different examples of set. One important thing here, that whenever we have to represent a set, we have to write them within the curly braces. So we are already familiar with the three brackets of mathematics. This is the first bracket, second bracket, and square bracket. So this first bracket is also called parenthesis. The second bracket is called braces, and the third bracket is called square bracket or curly bracket. Square bracket or the third bracket, square bracket or the third bracket. So in set theory we use the second bracket, this is the braces. Okay? So this is all about set. Now what are the different uses of set? There are many uses of set. In mathematics it is the building blocks. You can call as a building blocks of mathematics. Even in computer science, in the field of artificial intelligence, in the field of computer science also, the data sets, the data are organized in the form of some set. So that is also set. So that also comes under the concept of set. Next we will look into the different properties of a set. What are the different properties? The significant properties of a set are, there are three basic properties. One is well defined. Another is distinct or uniqueness. And the third one is order of elements are insignificant. Order of elements does not matter. Let's look into the first property, well defined. Well defined means the elements of a set must be defined properly. For example, whenever we are defining the set of vowels, say V equal to A, E, I, O, U. So the elements are well defined. The elements are the vowels in the English alphabet. Similarly, if we take the set of natural numbers, say 1, 2 till infinity, the elements are properly defined. So the first property is the elements in a set should be properly defined. The next property is the distinct or uniqueness of the elements. For example, we have a set say X having elements 3, 6, 9, and another set say Y having elements 3, 6, 9, 6 again. So these two will be considered as same because the element 6 cannot be repeated. If you are repeating the element, it will be considered as a single element only. So that is, the elements should be unique or distinct. The third property is order of the elements doesn't matter. The order of the element doesn't matter means, say we have a set X having elements 3, 6, 9, another set say Y having elements 3, 9, 6. Although the element has been placed differently, but the two sets are same. The two sets are same. So these are the different properties of set. So there are three properties: well defined, distinct or uniqueness, and the order of the elements doesn't matter. So this is all about the properties of a set. Next we will look into the different notations or symbols that are being used in set theory. And in this lecture or in this video we will be looking into the notations only. We will go to the definition and the usefulness of those notations in the subsequent lectures. So notation, or you can call symbol, and their meanings. So notations and their meanings. So the first notation that we will be using, commonly using, U, is called union, intersection, this is subset, this is called proper subset, superset, proper superset, this minus the subtraction symbol is called the set difference, this is the symmetric difference, this is the set difference and this is symmetric difference. The cross symbol, this is the Cartesian product, and again continuation to this, the next symbol phi, which is used to represent null set or empty set. This is the epsilon symbol, which is used for representing belongs to. And another symbol which is also like U, it is U only, so it is universal set. So we will look into the definition of universal set later on, but U is used to represent universal set. So these are the commonly used symbols of set. I hope these symbols are very much clear. So what did we discuss in this video? We have started with the definition of set, what a set is, what are the uses of set, what are the different examples of a set. Next, we have seen the three basic properties of a set. If we if we review this, what are the three basic properties? One is well defined, uniqueness, and the order of the element doesn't matter. So these are the three basic properties of a set, and then we have seen the different notations. Now based on what we have discussed, so I want to put a question. Write the elements of the set of odd numbers from 1 to 50. So please respond to this question in the comment box. And if you have got to learn something from this video, kindly like and subscribe to this channel. And we'll see you in the next video. In the next video, we'll try to learn about the different representations of set. Thank you very much.